And you watch some Forza. Jimmy, oh no. What is that sound? That's it. You're grounded. I already said a week ago you were listening to this. That's it. Next weekend, I'm taking away your TV and I'm putting it in the trash.